People are only what you believe them to be. So you do not have to pedestalize any girl. If you can completely convince yourself that this beautiful girl is desiring you, if you can completely believe in this idea, then she will actually start to desire you in your physical, visible reality as well. You first have to conceive of this idea in your mind first. And then, if you can believe in this idea will take form in your visible reality. Because your visible reality is just an extension of your own mind. Neville Goddard said, your persistent imagination is creating your personal reality. I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown when I was struggling with anxiety and panic attacks, and I had to turn inwards and started to meditate. Meditation taught me one thing. It taught me that outer game, pickup techniques, psychology tricks never really worked when it came to attracting girls and creating a intimate relationship with them. It was all my vivid imagination and feelings that I had while reading a book called Six God Method that actually manifested, that actually created an intimate relationship for me in my visible world. So your only real power is your own imagination, is your own feelings, and your capacity to convince yourself that whatever you have imagined is true for you. So what you have to do is go into a relaxed attitude of mind through Yoga Nidra or non-sleep deep rest protocol. Start to imagine that the girl that you absolutely adore and you think that she is out of your league is in your arms and she is complimenting you. Look at her pupils. Look at those pupils being dilated and she's biting her lips. She's trying to kiss you in this imaginal act. You can even imagine 5 different other girls in your arms. This way, you will gain a sense of detachment because you have all these different women begging for your attention. When you can convince yourself that all these beautiful, beautiful women are chasing you, and you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act, you can smell perfume on all of these 5 different girls. You can touch them in your imaginal act. You can visualize that these girls are touching you, they are massaging you, and you make this imagination very vivid in your mind and you mentally rehearse it. Then you are going to feel feelings of joy, accomplishment, success, victory. These feelings, whenever you feel these elevated emotions, you have just convinced yourself that this imagination is actually happening to you in real time. Now do this exercise night after night before falling asleep. And one day, your subconscious mind will be completely drenched with the idea that your dream girl is actually already in your arms. Now you have completely believed that this beautiful girl is already your girl. Now, because you have believed this beautiful girl that you have pedestalized is already yours, this event will actually unfold in your physical reality because people are only what you believe them to be. If you believe she is yours, she will be yours in your physical reality. However, a normal human being might not be able to put all the sensory vividness in his imaginal act. His attention span is so bad that it will either go to one past traumatic event or it starts to anticipate a worst case scenario of in the future where this beautiful girl is rejecting him, or his attention will go to another irrelevant scene. But if you manage to discipline your attention and place it on this imagination where wonderful things are happening to you, you can feel the feelings of joy and all other positive elevated emotions. A normal human being has practiced feeling bad, feeling unworthy, feeling negative emotions for so long that it might be difficult for him to feel these elevated emotions at first. So give yourself some time. Invest in yourself for at least 1 month. Every night before falling asleep, do this exercise. Relax your body completely. Start to imagine, mentally rehearse it. Feel the feelings of joy and accomplishment. Become completely satisfied and then fall asleep. This investment is going to make your dating life so amazing, and it is going to be so effortless because whatever you have imagined will happen in your physical reality. So please invest in yourself, and you do not have to rely on dating tricks, psychology tricks, this hack or that hack. These pickup gurus do not know what they are talking about. They do not understand that their reality is just an extension of their own mind. Please. Now, if you want one on one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a strong imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive, elevated feelings so that whatever you have imagined will get outpictured into your physical reality, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section down below. Remember, yogis have always called our physical reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. They knew that their physical reality is Maya because whenever they upgraded their state of mind through meditation, through visualization, all of a sudden their terrible circumstances vanished away and they became a magnet for all the wonderful circumstances. You can achieve this through a wise use of your attention, your imagination, and your emotions. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.